Hi everyone, welcome. We've been studying regular ER verbs in the present tense in French in the last few lessons, and in this lesson we are going to study another regular ER verb, the verb oublier, which means to forget, and we're going to do something a little different. We're going to take it up a notch, and we're just going to do the whole verb at once here. I'm sure at this point you've got the hang of the verb conjugation thing, so let's go ahead and do the verb oublier. Remember, you start with your root, which you find by removing the ER. So we have oublie, so the root will be the same for all these forms, and all we do is add the endings. So I forget would be j'oublie, j'oublie. You forget, tu oublies. He forgets, she forgets, or one forgets, oublie, il oublie, elle oublie, on oublie. We forget, nous oublions. You forget, vous oubliez, and they forget, il or elle oublie. Notice the pronunciation, oublie, 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 oublions, oublier, oublie. Notice that oublie, 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 and oublie are all pronounced the same. Let's go ahead and look at some examples. Things that I forget or someone else forgets. You can say, I forget everything. J'oublie tout. I forget the time. J'oublie l'heure. I forget the umbrella. J'oublie le parapluie. You forget everything. Tu oublies tout. You forget the time. Tu oublies l'heure. You forget the umbrella. Tu oublies le parapluie. He forgets everything. Il oublie tout. He forgets the time. Il oublie l'heure. He forgets the umbrella. Il oublie le parapluie. She forgets everything. Elle oublie tout. She forgets the time. Elle oublie l'heure. She forgets the umbrella. Elle oublie le parapluie. One forgets everything. On oublie tout. One forgets the time. On oublie l'heure. One forgets the umbrella. On oublie le parapluie. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. À bientôt.